How to create an account in Solo Leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device. Once the game loads, you will be asked to choose how you want to sign in. You can select from several options like logging in with your Google, Apple, email or through a guest account. It's recommended to choose Google, Apple or email so that your progress is saved and synced securely. If you select Google or Apple, a small pop-up will appear asking for permission to link your account. Tap on Allow or Confirm to proceed. This will connect your game data to your chosen account. But if you sign in with email, tap on the Sign up with email option, then enter your email address and password. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and hit the Next button. You will then be asked to enter a recovery email. After providing recovery email, a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open your email and click the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the game and tap Confirm. Next, agree to the service access and hit the Confirm button. You have now successfully created your account. After that, you will be asked to choose your preferred control settings and voice language. Once you have set those up, the game will take you to the main lobby screen. From there, you can start exploring missions, summoning character, and building your shadow army. Now you know how to create an account in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.